Welcome back to a new video of how to guide everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a group on Signal private messenger. So if you want to chat in a group with multiple people at once, then let me show you the quick process of creating a group. Now before I move on to the video, subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future videos. With that said, let's get right in. Open up your Signal app. Now once you open up this app, you'll see this interface and you'll have two options on the bottom right, which is this camera icon and this pencil icon. You just need to tap on the pencil icon and it's going to show you all of your contacts who also have the Signal app installed. Now what you need to do is tap on new group and just pick the people that you want to add in the group. So just pick the people like this. You can pick any number of people that you want. To create a group successfully, just tap on this arrow on the bottom right. This way the group will be successfully created and any message that you send on the group, other person will get notified. So that's all it takes to create a group on Signal private messenger. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys like this video. And I'll be soon back with more informative videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.